Check. It's your boy DJ Doogie. What's up, guys? So I've been thinking about this for some time now. This is my old DJ setup, and I've been thinking about an upgrade. Now everything is still fairly new equipment, but the setup itself has been bugging me. So I was thinking about, spicing it up a little bit with some lights, maybe a new stand. So I'm gonna work on something, and let me know what you guys think. Materials for this project, I did a lot of research, thinking about what shelf I would use if I wanted to use like wood or some sort of granite, and what sort of hardware I would use to support the shelf. So that took a lot of research. In the end, there were pluses and minuses on all the types of materials. But where I landed was on a shelf that's actually used for, in the restaurant industry. And I thought it may be something that I could use here. And I'll give you a look at it. It's a metal shelf. It comes in a box. I think I ordered it through Amazon. And I assembled it. And it looked like it had the right depth from front to back, and then also the height that I wanted to support the height of the laptop and then the speakers. I also got some LED lights to hook up underneath and perhaps on the top. I have this drill bit that I bought on Amazon as well. And I've got my trusty stud finder. And then I'm going to reuse this old Belkin power strip that I've had for a long time. It's been really working. You notice these are pretty sturdy outlets that are in here. I would say all together with the materials and the tools, the parts, probably run me about $200, I would say. The shelf is probably the most expensive. That was like about $150. These were like $20, and that was like $30. So about $200, and then a little bit of a muscle on my part to get this all put together. So that's the material. Next, we're going to go into making some holes on here to run the wires through, and then try to do the install. So right now I've got the shelf installed. See, I've got the holes, the cutouts right there for all the wires coming through. So in the installation, I had to put in a couple extra holes just to find the studs. But I've also got the Belkin installed right there. Put it in some place where I can get access to the switch to turn the power on and off. So far it's taken a good time to get this. The holes drilled took a long time. Apparently when you drill through stainless steel, as you're drilling through, it gets hard, and so it took a while to get the holes put in. But so far everything is looking good. Just also wanted to tell you that I mentioned earlier that I took a lot of time in picking out the material or the shelf itself to put in here. I mentioned it, I did a lot of research. So I thought of wood, obviously, as something that would look good. And then, so that was one option. And I thought of like putting it in the same color as the cabinets down here, like a dark cherry. Also thought about doing like a granite, like a matching granite top. The wood, I would have to get it stained. That seemed like a lot of work. The granite, I thought would be, a bit heavy. This little piece probably weighs about, 200 pounds or so. And so I thought it'd be too heavy, and I don't know if I would get the brackets to be able to support it. And so I landed on this stainless steel, and a neat thing about the stainless steel is that it looks nice, but it also, if I pan out here, if you look at the kitchen itself, because my setup is in the basement in the kitchen, a lot of the stuff down here is also stainless steel. So you've got the dark wood, stainless steel, the black granite, and so I thought, if you pan out a little bit, you'll see it kind of goes with the overall design of the kitchen itself. It's got dark wood, black granite countertop, and then the stainless steel shelf. So I'm about to put the lights in right now, and then we'll finish it off and show you what the end product looks like. All right, guys, so just a quick update. We got the lights in. It's all installed on the top and also on the bottom. Got it all plugged in. Gonna give it a go. So let's see, just power on. There we go. Get a little red, a little green, blue. Let's do a little disco action. Well, that's just a fade. Let's see if we go flash. Whoa, maybe a bit slower. Okay, how about jumping around? There you go. Lights are in. Next, I'm gonna hook everything back up and see what the finished product looks like. Hey guys, how's it going? Just a quick update. Managed to finish the project right now, and I'll give you a look at what the end product looks like. Got the lights on a fade. Got the equipment all hooked up. Not too crazy about the power strip they're showing. I may drop that down below the coffin. I like the ability to access the switch, but to me it just takes away from the setup, so I may just drop that down. But this is it. Just in case any of you are wondering what this bell is here. Usually when we have parties over at the house and we're ready to take a shot, we ring the bell for the shots. But no parties these days. But again, if you like the video, if you like the setup, drop me a comment or like the video down below. Thanks and take care.